Hello guys, my name is Taha Nasir. I'm back with another video on RStudio. Today we're going to learn how to plot scatter plots in RStudio. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here I have already loaded the ggplot2 library. The first step that we have to do whenever we start RStudio is to select a working directory. So we will click here, the three dots, okay? Go to directory. It will open up we can open up any folder and just click open, and then the working directory will show up here. Okay, I've already set it, so I don't need to do that. Anyways, after this you can select this and set it as working directory, right? Then you can use the data sets from here. Just paste their names here directly in the read.csv function, and if it's a CSV file it will open up. If it's an Excel file, then you need to use the read Excel library, okay, and the read Excel function. So let's press Control plus Enter, and here we have this data set. I'll open it up. Okay, I can also write view df1 function in the console to open it up. So it has 16 columns and 535 entries. The variables of interest for scatterplot for my analysis would be two variables, nutrition and spiritual growth. Okay, so using the ggplot2 package, I will first type df1 pipeline, then ggplot function, okay, aesthetics, x is equal to nutrition, okay, it's shown up. I just pressed tab. Spiritual growth, okay, press tab, plus geom point, okay, geom point. I'll set position because I think the points will overlap, so I will use position jitter to scatter them a little bit, okay. And width, I'll set it randomly, maybe 0.2. And alpha is basically used for transparency. I'll set it as 0.6, okay. Transparency of the points, okay. The next one would be geom smooth. In order to create a smoothing curve, I will set method is equal to auto. According to your requirements, you can also generate a linear regression line if you want to, but right now I just want a curve to show it to you guys. Okay, I can also set the color. I would say color is equal to red. Okay, and then labs for setting the title name, x a variable name and y variable name. Title name will be nutrition versus spiritual growth. X variable name is nutrition. Y is equal to spiritual growth. I don't want the dot to appear, so that's why I'm writing it again. Anyways, the theme function, it will be used because I want to change the position of the title. Plot.title will be used. Element text, since we are concerned with the text of the title, right? Here, element text. And we just want to change the position of the title, so we will use horizontal adjustment. The function, the argument to be used is hJust, and 0.5 because we want it to appear in the middle. Okay, let's run it. Control plus Enter. Here we have this graph. It's not a beautiful looking graph, but you get the gist of it, right? You get the gist of what we're trying to do here. So if your values are different than this, then you'll get a better graph. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you want more RStudio related videos, I'll also post Python videos in the future. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, like this video as well. Bye bye.